One of our metal sprinkler pipes burst recently. I'll include a link in the description to the exact product we used for the final repair. First, I used a hedger to clear away the vines growing around the broken pipe so I could fully excavate the area. Once the vines were cleared, I dug down to the damaged section of pipe. Unfortunately, the space was so tight and the pipe so badly corroded that replacing it wasn't a realistic option. Before trying any repairs, I prepped the pipe by breaking off the heavy rust. Using an adjustable wrench, I gripped the pipe and twisted, which caused the loose rust to crack and break away. Then I lightly sanded the area to smooth it out and create a better surface for sealing. Our first attempt was to use a rubber clamp to seal the leak. I wasn't confident it would work because the pipe was rusty and uneven, which makes it hard to get a tight seal. I tightened the clamp as much as possible, but as you can see, the water still squirted out. That's when we switched to JB Weld FiberWeld Pipe Repair, a high-strength adhesive fiberglass wrap. Here's how we did it. Mix the epoxy putty and press it directly over the hole to plug it. Dip the fiberglass wrap in water for 5 to 10 seconds to activate it. Wrap the pipe tightly, overlapping each layer until you have 5 or 6 layers covering the damaged area. Taper the ends so it bonds smoothly. The wrap will loosen slightly as it sets, so JB Weld provides a band to hold everything firmly in place. Keep the band on for 5 minutes, then remove it. After 1 hour, the repair is fully cured and ready to test. Turn the water back on, and you should have a strong, long-lasting seal. No need to replace the entire pipe.